Guys, maybe you've heard about the LSPOS or EdXpose related things. It's available here. It has some cool, interesting modules which we're going to talk about in this video. So stay tuned, and now let's get started quickly. Okay, we're gonna start about with the first module, which is in our list, called Gravity Box, which is one of the famous modules out there. I'm just gonna talk about all these modules in brief, and these modules, specific dedicated video on these modules are already available on my channel. You can go and check it out. The first module which is in our list is called Gravity Box, and this is the Gravity Box which we are talking about. It's available for all Android versions, basically Android 6, 7, 8, 9, whatever else. It's available till Android 11, and it's better to install on a device and customize your device. Second one is in our hands is Pixel Modes, which is actually a kind of a module through which you can customize the Pixel Launcher. Basically, you can add the option called Hide Apps in Pixel Launcher, which is a very useful feature, and you don't get that option by default, but after installation of Pixel Modes you'll be able to do that. So this is also one of the very useful modules out there in Xpose. It's available for EdXpose and LSPose both. It also has a new module called Secure Display, which I didn't made a video till now. But what is this? This is kind of opposite of Disable Flag Secure, which means if you enable this option, then you'll be able to restrict the screenshots in any app on your device. That's actually quite wonderful. You simply need to install, enable the module, and you are good to go. And as I previously mentioned, that was the opposite of this module called Disable Flag Secure. Disable Flag Secure, which means some apps have the option to restrict the screenshots. If you enable this option, then you will be able to remove that restriction, and you'll be able to take the screenshots. You can even record screen, which is a very powerful module, by the way. It also has a very good kind of module called X Downgrader, which is actually one of my favorite ones. If you want to install an Android app which has the lowest Android version, if whichever you have installed, for example you are installing 100 version, you want to install the 99, you need to uninstall the previous version. But if you install this module, you don't need to uninstall it. You can simply install the lowest version of that Android app up on the app. That's something really interesting one. These are the modules which we have right now in our hands. Approximately these are 5 modules, and if you install these modules, you'll find these modules in the module section of the LSPOS or EdXpose, whatever you are using on your device. Doesn't matter a lot. You need to enable these options. For example, if you enable this option, this is called Disable Flag Secure, as I just mentioned you will have the screenshot restriction disabled, and this is a very helpful thing. Gravity Box is also there. You need to enable this module, and the things written there, recommended, just tick all these options, then reboot your device, and you will be able to customize your device with Gravity Box. Some cool features available for you: navigation bar, status bar, power menu, music management. A lot of features are already present on Gravity Box. I made a dedicated specific video on that, so make sure to check out that. Pixel Modes, as I just mentioned you, this is the feature, and you need a Pixel Launcher for that. Of course, in my case it's not there. Unfortunately, I'm not using Pixel Modes here, so yes, you need to keep this thing in mind. Unfortunate for that. This was the thing which I was talking about. Pixel Modes, you need to enable this option, and if you enable this option, then which means you make sure you have the Pixel Launcher, and you'll be able to use the Hide Apps feature in that. Secure Display, which is a very helpful thing, by the way. What is called Secure Display, which means it disables screenshot in some apps, or basically in all the apps. Wherever you want, you will be able to protect your device, which is something good. X Downgrader, of course, you will be able to install the lower version of the installed app and some things like that. These are things, and these are one of my favorite modules out there. If you want to install, links in the description. This is all. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air.